If you've ever wondered how to select multiple photos in Lightroom quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to select individual photos, a full range of images, or even every photo in a folder, so you can speed up your editing workflow right away. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Lightroom tips and editing shortcuts. Let's jump straight into it. When you're inside Lightroom and viewing your thumbnails, the first method is perfect for selecting photos that are not next to each other. On Windows, hold Ctrl and then click each photo you want to select. On Mac, use Command and click instead. This is great when you only want specific images from a shoot, such as your best portraits or your sharpest landscape shots. Now, if you want to select a group of photos that are right next to each other, use Shift and click. Start by clicking the first photo in the range, then hold Shift and click the last photo. Lightroom will automatically select everything in between. This is really useful when you want to grab a sequence of images from the same session without having to click each one individually. If you want to select every photo in the current folder, there's an even faster shortcut. Just press Ctrl and A on Windows or Command and A on Mac. That will instantly highlight all of the images in that folder or collection. This is especially helpful when you need to apply a preset, export everything, or make a bulk change across an entire batch of photos. Another easy method is the Marquee selection. To do this, click and drag your mouse across the thumbnails and Lightroom will select the photos inside that box. This is a quick visual way to grab multiple images at once, especially when they're grouped closely together in the grid view. So to recap, use Ctrl or Command and click for individual non-adjacent photos, Shift and click for a consecutive range, Ctrl or Command and A to select everything, and click drag for Marquee selection. Once you get used to these shortcuts, working in Lightroom becomes much faster and much smoother. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Lightroom tutorials, photo editing tips, and workflow shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.